It's 2 a.m. Your apartment is dark. The glow of your phone lights your face. An email from work sits there, unanswered. You read it again. Could you revise this by tomorrow? Your mind kicks into gear. What did you miss? Did you screw up? What will they think? Your chest tightens. The room feels smaller. You're alone, but your head is loud. Too loud. Regrets from yesterday. Worries about tomorrow. They're all here, circling. You want to shut it off, but you don't know how. You're not alone. This moment, this weight, it's familiar. You're not the only one awake, trying to solve problems that aren't even here yet. Your mind races. It's always racing. Work, relationships, that comment someone made, that thing you didn't say. It's all there, piling up. You're tired. Not just your body. Your mind is tired. You don't want a pep talk. You don't need a big fix. You just need a pause. A moment to breathe. To stop the noise. What if you could, right now, not solve it all, not win, just stop. Feel the air in your lungs. Hear the quiet of the room. This moment, it's yours. You don't have to fight it. You don't have to run. You can just be here. This is where it starts. Not with answers. Not with grand plans, but with a single, quiet breath. If this feels like you, leave a sign below. Not for me, not for fame, but for someone else out there, awake, needing this pause, just like you. You're at your desk. Papers everywhere. Your laptop's open. 10 tabs. Emails piling up. A Slack notification pings. Your boss wants an update. Now, your stomach twists. You want to reply, to explain, to fix it. But where do you start? You feel it building. That urge to control everything. Their tone, their expectations, the outcome. It's overwhelming. You're drowning in it. Stop. Breathe. You can't control their words, or their mood, or what they think of you. Those are outside you. They're not yours. But this moment, your next move, your next thought, that's yours. That's what you can control. Epictetus, the old Stoic, said it simply. Focus on what's in your hands. Let the rest go. It sounds easy. It's not, but it's true. Right now, what can you do? Maybe it's just one email, one sentence. Or maybe it's nothing. Maybe you just close the laptop. Step away. Let it sit. That's not giving up. That's cruising. Choosing what matters. Choosing your peace. You don't have to fight every battle. You don't have to answer every ping. You just have to decide what's yours to carry. Look at your hands. Feel the weight of your phone, your pen, your breath. These are real. These are now. The rest, it's just noise. Let it pass. You don't have to chase it. You don't have to fix it. Just be here, one choice at a time. You're scrolling X. It's late. Another post. Someone's new car. Someone's big promotion. Someone's perfect life. You pause. Your chest feels heavy. You're not them. You're not there. Your mind starts spinning. Why aren't you further along? What's wrong with you? The thoughts come fast. They sting. They feel true. But are they? Marcus Aurelius said something about this. Your thoughts aren't facts. They're just thoughts. Stories your mind tells. They feel heavy. They feel real. But they're not you. Can you watch them? Like clouds moving across the sky. Can you let them drift without grabbing them, without fighting them? Try it. Right now. Notice one thought. I'm not good enough. I'm falling behind. Whatever it is, say it in your head. Then let it go. Don't argue with it. Don't prove it wrong. Just let it float. It's just a cloud. It's not the sky. You're not the thought. You're the one watching it. This takes practice. You'll forget. You'll get caught again. That's okay. Each time you notice, you're stronger. Each time you let go, you're freer. You don't need to solve your doubts. You don't need to win. You just need to see them and breathe. You're in a coffee shop. The line's long. Your phone buzzes. A text from a friend. Hey, you free tonight? You start typing. Then stop. You're always free. Always saying yes. Always there. But are they? You think back. That time, you needed them. That time, they didn't show. It stings. You want to care. But you're tired of carrying it. Epictetus had a line for this. People's actions are theirs, not yours. Their choices, their words. They don't define you. You can't control what they do or what they think, but you can control how you carry it. Do you hold on to the hurt? Do you replay it? Or do you let it go? Right now, feel your feet on the floor, the weight of the phone in your hand. This is real. This is now. Their text, their absence, that's not here. That's not yours. You can answer or not. You can care, but you don't have to carry. Let their actions be theirs. You have your own. Next time someone lets you down, pause. Notice the sting, but don't build a story. Don't make it mean something about you. It's just a moment. It passes. You keep moving. You're not here to chase approval. You're here to live. You're at work. A project's due. The deadline's tomorrow. You stare at the screen. It's a mess. Your brain locks up. Too much to do. Too little time. You want to start, but you're frozen. The panic creeps in. You're failing. You're not enough. Breathe. Marcus Aurelius faced this too. Not your project, but the weight, he said. Don't try to do it all. Just do the next thing. The smallest thing. One sentence. One line of code. One email. That's enough. You don't need to climb the mountain. You just need to take a step. Right now, look at your screen. What's one thing you can do? Not the whole project, not the perfect fix. Just one thing. Write one word. Save one file. Send one message. That's yours. That's real. The rest? It can wait. Each step builds. Each choice matters. You're not failing. You're moving. Slowly. Quietly. That's how it works. One choice at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be here. You're driving. Traffic slow. Someone cuts you off. No signal. No warning. Your hands grip the wheel. Your blood boils. You want to honk. To yell. To make them know. It feels right. It feels just. But wait. Seneca called anger a trap. It feels good for a second. Then it owns you. It clouds your head. It steals your peace. Can you pause? Just for a breath. Feel the air. Count to 3. You're still here. The car's gone. The moment's passed. Right now, feel your hands. The wheel under your fingers. The hum of the engine. This is yours. The anger. It's just a spark. You don't have to feed it. You don't have to let it burn. You can choose. Breathe. Let it fade. Next time you feel that heat, pause. It's not weak to let go. It's strong. You're not here to win fights. You're here to keep your peace. One breath at a time. You worked hard, weeks on a project. You poured everything into it, and it failed. The client didn't like it. The numbers didn't add up. You replay it. What you could have done. What you should have said. It's your fault. You're not enough. Stop. The Stoics had a phrase for this. Amor fati. Love your fate. Not because it's perfect, not because it's fair, but because it's yours. You did what you could. The rest, it's not in your hands. Can you let it be? Right now, close your eyes. Feel your breath. In, out. The failure's there. It hurts, but it's not you. It's just a moment. It passes. You're still here. You're still moving. What's next? One step. That's all. Next time something breaks, don't fight it. Don't hate it. Just accept it. It's not the end. It's just a turn. You keep going. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to live. It's Friday night. You're alone. The city hums outside. Your phone's quiet. No plans. No texts. You feel it. That itch to scroll. To call someone. To fill the silence. It's uncomfortable. It's loud. But wait. Seneca loved these moments. Solitude isn't empty. It's space. It's yours. Can you sit with it? Just for a minute. No phone. No noise. Just you. Feel the air. Hear the quiet. This is where you meet yourself. Right now, put the phone down. Just for 5 minutes. Look around. The walls. The light. the sound of your breath. This is real. This is enough. You don't need to run. You don't need to fill it. You can just be. Next time you're alone, don't fight it. Don't distract yourself. Lean in. The quiet has things to say. You're not here to escape. You're here to listen. You missed a deadline, skipped the gym, forgot to call someone back. You feel it, that voice. You're lazy. You're failing. You'll never get it right. It's heavy. It's loud. It feels like truth. But it's not. Marcus Aurelius said, "You don't have to be perfect. Just keep going. One miss isn't the end. One slip isn't you. Can you start again? Right now. One small thing. Make the call. Write one line. That's strength. Right now, pick one thing. Something small. A glass of water. A quick walk. A single email. Do it. Not for glory. Not for proof. Just for you. Each time you start again, you're stronger. Each time you try, you're free. Next time you stumble, don't judge it. Don't hate it. Just begin again. You're not here to be flawless. You're here to keep moving. One step at a time. Your desk is chaos. Papers, coffee cups. Your inbox has 50 unread emails. Your phone buzzes. Another notification. Your head feels full. Too full. You want to clear it. But it's too much. Where do you start? Seneca had an answer. Less isn't loss. It's freedom. You don't need more. You need less. Less noise. Less clutter. Less weight. Can you let something go? Right now. One thing. A tab. A task. A worry. Look at your desk. Pick one thing. A cup. A paper. Put it away. Feel the space. It's small, but it's yours. That's where it starts. One corner. One breath. You don't need to do it all. You just need to do less. Next time it feels heavy, subtract. One email, one plan, one thought. The world won't break, but you might breathe. You're not here to carry everything. You're here to choose. You're in a meeting. Someone disagrees. Their voice is sharp. Their words cut. You feel it, that urge to fire back, to prove them wrong, to win. Your heart races. Your mouth opens. But wait. Epictetus valued silence, not weakness, power. Words can wait. Can you hold them? Just for a moment. Breathe. Feel the air. The room is still here. You're still here. Do you need to speak? Or can you listen? Right now, think of the last argument, the one you wanted to win. What if you'd paused? Just one breath. Would it have changed? Maybe. Maybe not. But you'd still have your peace. That's what matters. That's what's yours. Next time the heat rises, pause. Count to 3. Let the moment pass. You're not here to shout. You're not here to prove. You're here to stay calm. Silence is your strength. It's morning. The alarm blares. You're already thinking. Meetings, deadlines, that email you didn't send. The world feels loud. It's barely begun. You want to keep up, to stay ahead. But it's heavy. It's always heavy. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind. Not events. You can't quiet the world, but you can quiet this. Your head, your heart. Right now. Close your eyes. Feel your breath. In, out. This is yours. This is enough. You don't need to fix it all. You don't need to win. You just need to be here. One moment, one choice. The noise will come. It always does. But you can choose. You can pause. You can breathe. Tomorrow, when it's loud again, come back. Not to solve it. Not to fight it. Just to stop. To feel the air. To know you're here. That's enough. If this helped you pause, leave a sign. For someone else who needs this quiet, just like you.